Today I would like to highlight the standard format of notice writing. A standard format. A standard format of notice writing. If we are going to follow the standard format notice writing, certainly you can issue 2 plus 3, 5 marks. Please come to the point. I would like to highlight. Suppose this is the page. Here you are going to write on. And at first you have to place a school name, so college name. College name in bold, in very attractive way. Just after this you have to place notice. If you write anything or some content or just like annual examination about leave etc., then you can place here. You can forget it, and just you have to place date. It is compulsory. Now this is the middle part and body of letter writing where you have to write notice. And just you have to place your name, who is writing the letter, and designation name, designation. Suppose you are Ramesh Kumar and you are the head boy. In this way, now how to implicate marks? Suppose this one half marks and this half. Total 2 and here 3 marks. Body, if we are going to issue 3 marks plus a structure that we are going to do 2 is equal to 5 marks. It means if you follow this pattern for notice writing, we are going to issue 5 marks. First one, college name or school name, place notice, place date. Whatever you want to write, you have to write the subject matter, just your name and your designation. I hope you will follow this pattern and you are going to issue good marks in the exam. Thank you. Welcome to Vinod Sir English Academy. Today I am going to teach or express how to write a notice writing. That is notice writing. If you know how to write notice, certainly you are going to ensure good marks. Just you have to follow some steps how to write notice writing. I would like to give an example. This has been taken from pattern, or we can say practice set 2. That is, you are Karuna or Karan of 12th class and you have misplaced notebook on chemistry lectures. Just write a notice or prepare a notice to get back once again. So that just I have to write one notice writing. At first we have to place name of a school. Just like this is the answer of writing notice. We have to place name of the college or a school. Guru Nanak High School, Mumbai. You can write according to question. You can place name of the school or college, whatever it may be, according to questions answer. Now we have to place notice in very attractive way. This is the notice. Now you have to place one date. Suppose this is 10th March 2022. Just place a comma here. Now start writing, and the subject matter is nothing but you have misplaced your notebook on chemistry lectures. Just you have to get it back on now, and you have to write it. All students of this school or college you can write whatever you want. Are informed that I have lost my notebook on chemistry. Lectures during lunch period. In the school premises. I searched, but I could not find it back. This notebook is very important for exam purpose. If you find anywhere, please return to me. The finder will be given a special award. You can submit to the school office also. Last one, the name of the writer. So the person who is going to write is nothing but Karuna or Karan. Just we have to take one name. Karuna. Class 12. The head girl. This is the process. And certainly, if you write this in this way, suitable way, very effective way, you are going to achieve good marks in notice writing. In Hindi, I would like to express in the next video. Just we have talked in English so that you can understand easily. I hope this, if you are ready to follow the steps, certainly you are going to achieve good marks. Thank you.